Ya, jelas-jelas
In
Rami.
Denmark, a SNLF activist convoy flag of Free Aceh, even though they are separated by hundreds of thousands of kilometers from the ancestral lands. Achenese who live in Denmark, especially ASNLF activists, often celebrate their custom among the nation's children. One of the activities is like gathering with various elements of other Achenese who live in the Scandinavian country, considering with summer vacation on the weekend that considered with Halal Bil Halal after Eid al-Adha, Saturday, July 24th, 2021, yesterday. The gathering location is 30 minutes by car west of Aalborg, the fourth largest city in Denmark. Danish ASNLF coordinator Mohammed Hanafia reported to Atacana TV that they carried out the flag convoy as part of his Achenese identity. Because the Achenese in Denmark live in various cities, we decided to meet in a place that was equally close to each other. Women were assigned to bring food from home, while men took care of licensing and setting up meeting places. This included games for children. Hanafia also said that Denmark is a European country inhabited by various immigrants who come from various ethnic groups in the world. One of the many ethnic groups of the nation comes from Aceh. Even though they are far away from overseas, it turns out that Achenese culture is still firmly attached to the order of their daily life. In the observation of the Atacana TV team through cyberspace, Achenese from various elements and backgrounds still have an Islamic culture. It also appears that Achenese children who were born and raised in Denmark continue to use the Achenese language when communicating with their parents. From Denmark, the Atacana TV team reports.
Ya, jalan silaturahmi. Hah? Aneh lah. Lah ke penerus bangsa. Oh, kau pindah raja ya?